Hi, my name's Elise from Bella Barista, and I'm here today to talk to you about our favourite new coffee gadget, the Bookoo Themis mini scale and espresso monitor. So let's talk about the coffee scales to start with. And here they are next to the famously small Ikea Lunas to show you the difference in size. They're 8 cm by 8 cm and 1.5 cm in height, which makes them perfect to sit on a drip tray so that you have plenty of cup clearance. So let's start by turning on the scales. To turn them on, it's a simple long press on the left-hand button. So the scales have 3 different modes, and they show the different modes by the dots here. So one dot is the flow rate mode, and it shows you the flow rate and weight. So let's see how this works. Simply press here to tare, and then either start your extraction or start pouring. And here it is on the left showing you your flow rate and on the right showing you your weight. So let's switch to the next mode, the timer mode, which shows you your time and weight. To get to the next mode, simply long press on the right here, and it changes to 2 dots to show you that it's in the second mode. Press here to tare, and then here to briefly start your timer. And there it is showing your weight on the right and your timer on the left. So now let's talk about the last mode, the automatic mode. So long press again, and there it is on the auto mode. So the automatic mode automatically tares upon placing a cup on the scales, and it automatically starts timing upon liquid detection. So not only do the Bookoo Themis mini scales have loads more features than most on the market, when you pair them with the BooKoo Espresso Monitor and connect it to the app, they then have even more features. It allows you to view the pressure, weight and flow rate and resistance of any espresso. The Espresso Monitor is compatible with most E61 group head machines. It's also compatible with many different lever machines. Here I have it on the Flare 58 using the T-splitter and the Bookoo mechanical gauge, so I can see the pressure that I'm pulling from the front, but so it's still connected to the app on the back. So let's see it in action. So here it is, showing you the pressure, weight, flow rate and resistance of this espresso. It also allows you to save each different extraction, and it stores them all in the history section here. I hope you've enjoyed our video on the Bookoo Themis mini scales and espresso monitor. This setup will certainly help you take your espresso to the next level. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next Friday.